In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Google Doc. So I'm going to click on an assignment, View Assignment. Over here, you will see your work assigned. I will click on the Google Doc. From here, maybe your teacher is asking you to write a story. So I will start. On Sunday, I watched the football game. Pretty simple, okay? You just start typing in here. What you can do when you are finished, you can share this with your teacher. So you can click share. This is not something you need to do unless you are creating your own Google Doc. Then you can share it with your teacher by simply clicking here, and then you would need to know your teacher's email address. Okay, so that's one thing you can do. You may also notice after you turn this assignment in, which you do just like you would any other assignment back here in the Google Classroom, you would turn in. After you've turned it in, you may notice some text boxes over here on the right. This would be a way to communicate back and forth with your teacher. She may also make suggestions to edit your work. Maybe you forgot a capital letter. So here, for example, Sunday. Okay, she might over in this box say to you, please make sure to capitalize the word Sunday. Okay, so then you would select the check mark and say accept the edits. Some other things you would want to do here in Google Docs. Again, you can change your font if your teacher gives you permission to do so, and the size of your font. Some other important things, maybe your story needs a title. So when we're here, we have our cursor. Notice it is flashing on the left-hand side. When we include a title, we want to center the title. So we come up here to the toolbar, and again, just like before, if you rest your mouse on any of these icons, it will tell you what it is. Okay, it'll give you a description. So I'm going to rest my mouse here, and I see this says center align. That means to move my words to the center of the page. So I'm going to click that. And I'm going to type it. My title will be My Weekend by Mrs. Debo. And notice how nicely it centers it. I don't have to hit tab a million times and try to figure out where my center is. It does it for me. Okay? So after that, once you've centered your title and you want to start typing, let's say you have nothing here to start. Now your writing is still centered. I'll show you how to get it back to the left because that's where you want to start your writing. Just like in any other textbook, your writing will want to be on the left. So just like you hit center align, now you're going to hit left align because we want to move it to the left-hand side of the page. So from here, notice my cursor is now moved back to the left-hand side of the page. I can start my typing. I'm going to hit tab once to indent my paragraph. This weekend I watched football. Okay. And that is all you need to do for your Google Docs. If your teacher wants you to insert bullet points for anything or taking notes, you can find that up here. Again, same thing. Rest your cursor on any of the icons, and here you'll see a bulleted list. It even looks like a bulleted list. Click there, and you can say, this is what I did. I watched football. Oops. I ate nachos. I had ice cream. Okay, so now you have a list of things. So again, that was up here in the bulleted items. And that is some quick ways to use Google Docs.